Okay, good morning. Boise foot trucking. We're catching some early ducks this morning. Still pretty early, but they're still hiding. We'll get more activity up around here. Oh, look at that. She's huddling over her baby. I'm gonna go out on the road not to interfere. Oh, that's a couple of babies. That's two little babies. Those sure are some pretty baby ducks you have there. I'm not gonna bother them at all. No, you take care of them. And those ducks are sleeping there. Everyone's just waking up. A week to 2 weeks ago at this time of day, very, very busy. I see the egg laying season must be coming to a close. And the baby duck raising season is coming into full bloom. There we go. Good morning, my duck friends. Wow. For a weed, that is very beautiful. See if I can get that tree also. Holy moly. Look at the sun is just kissing the top of that tree. It's probably moving down an inch every minute. And this must be the teenage girl hangout, if you are a duck. Looks like a good hangout to me. That is a beautiful cove. Wow, look at that sunshine. That's brighter than it was 1 minute ago. I hear a lot of duck activity, but I'm not really seeing it, so they are still hiding in the bushes. Good morning, Mrs. Duck. Good morning. Here's some more duck activity. There's another beautiful spot. I think this right here is the most beautiful spot on this waterway. Very tranquil. We'll be looking at that through the year, how it changes. Like, one of the changes, 10 inches of ice, and besides that, 0 moisture and totally cold. That's what I predict in 6 months. Whoa. Look at the sun. Just barely kissing the top of these trees. It is beautiful. Okay, here is some more of my duck friends. Good morning, ducks. Your babies sure are beautiful. Wow, there's a bunch of you, isn't there? No coffee yet. It's follow the leader and that's it. I ain't thinking till we have my coffee. Anyone have any duck coffee available? Oh, that is beautiful. See, I hear some more right over here. I'll be right there, Mr. Duck. There they are. They got babies in here. See them? Or they could be eating. Wow. See if I can get them even closer. I don't want to get too close. Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Duck. Have a nice breakfast. Peaceful and clean. And the water is high today. Wow. Blowing very strong. Wow. Swift today. Traffic coming down the road. Caution. Traffic. Oh, watch out, duckies. Oh, watch out, duckies. Watch out, duckies. Be careful. Get to the water safely. Run, mommy. Run, mommy. Run, mommy. Good job. Okay, we are back on this beautiful walk, and the sunshine has just exploded upon that tree and many others. The horses are still asleep, leaning against the fence, snoozing. Huh. Oh well. Not too much traffic, some, but not too much. Here's some right now. Beautiful morning in Boise, Idaho. The city is waking up on a mid-summer day. Forecast to be 103 degrees today. Was pretty hot yesterday. I don't know what it got to. I think it got to 102, which I thought was perfect for a outdoor motorcycle show. If you asked me, a couple of thousand people, a bunch of most beautiful choppers in the world competing, and 102 degrees. That's perfect. That's the perfect combination. I thought it was great. I sure liked all the bikes, and I especially liked the Easy Rider bike, which is always my favorite, but there was a snake bike there that I liked. I have some videos of it, but they're not very good, so I'm gonna have someone help me separate those so I can stick them in between other things, I guess. But it's pretty cool. I don't think it was made locally, but there was a couple of local winners. Okay, here comes our beautiful sun. Right over here, I might be able to get a shot of the sun. I don't want to get anybody's house direct, especially when they're waking up in the morning, looking out the window, and here I am with camera in their big picture window. Okay, one quick look. Sun's over the Rockies. one quick look. There we go. The grass smells very good. Birds sound very happy. We'll turn this back on at the waterway. No one even at the church parking lot yet. But up around the corner, I predict a lot of birds and geese. And they should be waking up by now. Here we go. I love the way these churches are built and constructed. I think it's cool. Maybe we can get a glimpse of that sun again. Oh, we will at the waterway. Okay. Sunshine, here we come. Wow, look how fast our water is going today. I think that's the fastest we have seen it this year. The babies, I just woke them up because they're not awake yet. Okay, I'm gonna try to walk by Mommy. I'm not gonna bother your beautiful babies. I say they were born yesterday. Hey, come on back. Safe, I'm leaving. I hope the camera is picking up those beautiful babies. Okay, have a nice day, Mommy. Yep. Action right out of the chute. Today, this water is fast. You could float that in a raft today. Oh, and let's stop by over here another 30 feet and see how my dried thorn is doing. Should look very pretty today. Wow, look at the sunshine on those leaves, and those leaves just sucking in all that energy. And here is our friend, the dried weed. He's looking in all of his glory today. Talk about fighting beyond the end and beyond and beyond and beyond. Love that dried bush. Back to the swift water. I would put this water in the category of high and dangerous, especially for children. Love that spot right there. Look at that grass sucking in the energy. That right there, my friends, is the miracle of life. Sucking that energy in. I think we are going to wake up some baby ducks over here. I see heads, but no action. So they are still hiding in here. I will leave them be. Look at the grass. It's beautiful here. The water is so high that waterfall there is completely unaffected. I would say that water is 3.5 feet above the waterfall. So today the waterfall is failing at its job. It's on summer vacation. Picks up in the fall. That is a beautiful waterway. The other direction and the sun just broke over those trees. I knew it would happen at any second. While we are here, thank you for watching Boise Foot trucking. We have many more adventures to do. Oh, here's a city guy right now. Here, I'll go over this way here to get out of his way. There we go. I don't know if he's feeding the ducks. But he's driving down the bicycle trail for sure. Okay. Let's walk right into the sun. I'll try to keep the sun out of the camera as much as possible. This road here is U-stick, and so far there's one car on it. This is a very, very busy road, but not early on a Sunday morning. By noon, it'll be packed. Maybe even by 10 a.m. Nice neighborhood over there. Beautiful morning in Boise, Idaho. A little dry, but help is on the way in the form of water. Hope to catch some of my duck friends right over here. Oh, look at our little squirrel friend. Good morning, Mr. Squirrel. Here is our duck friends. And I did not bring any food this morning. I knew it would be too early. Wow, look how smooth the water is. That is because it's darn near over its banks. I would say that waterway is 1 foot from flood stage. But they will manage it correctly. They can open and shut all these different waterways to help accommodate wherever the water needs to go. Okay. Catch this. We haven't been this way in a while. Trying to be careful right here. Looks like road construction. The grocery store has a few customers, but probably mostly cars for employees. Beautiful day today. I would think today people are going to be everywhere and out. Beautiful summer day. And right before we get to this spot right here, I'm going to see if I can get a good shot of Boise Basin. I hope the sun isn't interfering too much. But between those two telephone poles there is Boise Basin. Okay. This here is a shortcut you have to watch out for because this is espresso. Early morning, people take their espresso seriously. Do not even stand in the middle of the driveway of an espresso stand blocking it. You will get run over, especially here. Popsicle stand at idle at this time. Chairs, tables, ready to go. Here is a good spot to come back to. Okay, let's try to get some more of this beautiful sunny day in Boise, Idaho. Grass all trimmed up. Wow, very peaceful. I would say right now, at this time, I would say it is 80 degrees, possibly 82. This spot right here reminds me of a place in Hawaii called Fort DeRossi on Waikiki. Kind of looks like a corner there. But nope, we are in Boise, Idaho. That's how come this place is beautiful. Very beautiful. I love that tree. No traffic. Yeah, this is a good video to watch when we are on the treadmill or exercising. Beautiful. Okay, my friends. Let's see what other adventures we can find here. We are early. I think a lot of people are on vacation. beautiful gardens owned by the city. Well, they water these every day, and they look pretty dry. And I water mine every day, and they look pretty dry. So I guess I'm doing all right. Just need to trim mine off. Hardly anyone in the park today. Wow, look at that beautiful sunrise right over the trees. And this is 5 Mile Road with one car on it. One. That's the way it is when it snows. One car. Beautiful flag this morning, accepting the sun. Today is turning out to be kind of a quiet morning. That's okay. We can use a quiet morning now and then. A lot of people are on vacation, and I know that over north of Twin Falls, with the big ski area up there and around there is a big car show. Big rich man car show. All these rich people have their McLarens and custom Lotuses and all of that stuff going on. Anyway, I know some people that went to that. Sun Valley is where that is. Oh, look at that old bike there. A couple of them. Nice bikes. Been seeing lots of those today. Kind of early. I'm going to turn this off for a minute. Cannot resist that beautiful shadow picture. Right here. Sun is up and in full bloom. Sunshine away. I can feel the temperature rising per minute. If it's not quite 7:30 and it's about 80, so it has 23 more degrees to raise in a few hours. It was going to hit 102 today, which it is supposed to. I never catch the sun just right here. That's a good spot. Look at these beautiful clouds, these beautiful trees. quiet little neighborhood. Well, traffic is picking up. We're up to 2 cars, so that's a 50% increase, according to my book. We are still working on my graphics and apps and trying to combine that all together, but we are working on it. Hopefully get that up soon. Kind of got it figured out, but there's a few things we need to do and understand. Okay. Okay, Boise Foot Trucking. You have a nice day. See you at my next video. See ya.